Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rahul Raj and today you will be learn how to open WhatsApp image in Photoshop and how to edit WhatsApp image with perfect print. So let's start this video. Friends, then I open this picture in Photoshop. Friends, you are seeing this picture. This picture is not open in Photoshop. Click the OK button and minimize the Photoshop, and then select the image and click the right button and choose the property and check the file name. The file name is GIF and this picture is open in Paint. Save the image. Friends, you seeing this image, the name is changed and this image open in Photoshop. Firstly, you create a new page, size A4, and then press Ctrl J and drag the image in on the paper and fit the image on paper. And select the pen tool and crop the image. And then click Ctrl plus Enter. You seeing this image select in outer side, but you click Ctrl plus Shift plus I button, it changed, and select inner part, but I select the outer side and click the delete button. Press the Ctrl button and hold down and fit the picture on paper. And you will change the label. And save the image on desktop. This image is saved on desktop. If you like this video, then click like button and subscribe button and share button, and do not forget click the bell icon button. Thanks.